Hi, I'm Kathleen Hudson, the director of the Texas Heritage Music Foundation. I started this foundation in 1987 out of my commitment and passion to preserve and perpetuate all the traditions of Texas music. We are now located on the beautiful campus of Schreiner University in Kerrville, Texas, and I'm thrilled that my research in music and that my academic life weave together. As well they should. With that, I want to tell you a little bit today about a project. I want to talk about a venue, and I want to talk about something new in Kerrville. Let's start off with something new. Yes, I'm wearing Leon Russell today. Some of you may have heard that the Hill Country Youth Ranch experienced a devastating fire in Ingram and lost their art center and their music studio. The one song that was saved from the fire was by Leon Russell, and he was working with the kids' poetry. And ironically, the name of the song is It's a New Day. So you can go online to iTunes, you can download this song, and 100% of the proceeds go to the Youth Ranch. So that's a very important local and statewide project right now. So I just want to put in a good word for that. Now, venues, Marble Falls Theater, 7 o'clock, Saturday, November 22nd, the third annual Rose of Texas concert. This is a benefit. It benefits a Child's Advocacy Center and a Crisis Center. All of the women performing will be donating to this cause. Penny Ney, a performer in the Hill Country, has coordinated this and put it together. Tina Wilkins, and about 7 other performers. I get to MC along with the illustrious Vel Ann Howell, the former mayor of Luckenbach, Miss Vel Ann. And I happen to know that Belle Starr will make an appearance because some of you know she rides with me. Now, the project I'm working on, Hispanic Heritage in Texas Music. And I'll be on sabbatical in the spring, and I'll be interviewing musicians all over the state. And this week I'm interviewing Florin Sanchez. Florin Sanchez III actually has family roots here in Kerrville. He was the first recipient of the Wayne Kinnemer Scholarship. He is a phenomenal artist in many ways, and he plays every Thursday night at the Watering Hole in Kerrville with the spectacular band Someone Like You. Yes, I'm a fan. I'm there whenever I can stay up that late, and my plans are to be there this Thursday night. Florin and I will be talking about his perception of Texas music, his role in music, and what he thinks about his own heritage. So, I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are. Remember, if you want to really get an update on the Hill Country events, type in thehillcountrycalendar.com, or just check out the website Hill Country Visitor, of course. And my final request, consider joining the Texas Heritage Music Foundation. We'd love to have you as a member. With that, let's go on the road.